Walking in Colombo City, Sri Lanka. Welcome to Terror Support. I am traveling in Sri Lanka. In this video, I am walking in Colombo City. Today, I'm thrilled to take you on a virtual journey through the bustling streets of Colombo, the vibrant capital city of Sri Lanka. Join me as we explore the sights, sounds, and flavors of this captivating metropolis. As I take my first steps onto the vibrant streets of Colombo, I am immediately engulfed in a whirlwind of activity. The city is alive with the hustle and bustle of daily life, with locals and tourists alike going about their day amidst a backdrop of towering skyscrapers and historic colonial buildings. One of the first things that strikes me about Colombo is its incredible diversity. From the colorful markets teeming with fresh fruits and spices to the serene temples and mosques that dot the cityscape, Colombo is a melting pot of cultures and traditions. Everywhere I turn, I am greeted with smiles and warm welcomes, a true reflection of the hospitality and kindness of the Sri Lankan people. Colombo, the bustling capital of Sri Lanka, offers a delightful blend of history, culture, and modernity. As a first-time visitor, here are some wonderful ways to explore the city on foot. 1. Colombo Walks * Dutch Hospital Precinct. Begin your exploration at the Dutch Hospital Precinct, located opposite the World Trade Center. Join a guided walking tour that lasts approximately 2.5 to 3 hours. The pace is comfortable, ensuring everyone has a great time. Colombo City Walks Old Dutch Hospital Complex. Explore the picturesque streets of Fort and the vibrant chaos of Petta. This leisurely guided walk lasts 3 to 4 hours and reveals the ancient heritage of Old Colombo, Petta. Self-guided walking tours * Fort and Petta. Create your own walking adventure or follow one of the self-guided tours. Explore the historic fort area and the Petta Market D4.
Whether you're a history enthusiast, a nature lover, or simply curious about the city's culture, these iconic sites offer a glimpse into Colombo's rich heritage. 1. Lotus Tower * The Colombo Lotus Tower stands as South Asia's tallest freestanding structure, soaring to a height of 368 meters, 1,168 feet. From its top, you'll enjoy unobstructed views across Colombo and the surrounding cityscape, as well as the shimmering sea. The tower features an esports arena, a 5G VR innovation center, a shopping mall, a revolving fine dining restaurant, and both indoor and outdoor observation areas. 2. National Museum of Colombo *, also known as the Sri Lanka National Museum. This institution takes you on a journey spanning thousands of years of Sri Lankan culture. Explore fascinating exhibits, ancient artifacts, and historical treasures that provide insights into the island's past. 3. Gangaramaya Temple * located in the heart of Colombo. The Gangaramaya Temple offers tranquility amidst the bustling city. Admire its intricate architecture, serene courtyards, and sacred relics. The temple complex houses a museum, a library, and a fascinating collection of religious artifacts. Don't forget to visit the Sima Malakaya, a picturesque floating temple within the temple premises. 4. Gal Face Green * This vast oceanfront park, known as Gal Face Green, is where ocean breezes whisper tales of the sea. 5. Viharamahadavi Park * Nature's Haven in Colombo. Viharamahadavi Park offers lush greenery, serene lakes, and walking paths. Take a leisurely stroll, have a picnic, or admire the giant Buddha statue at the park. Here are some must-try local dishes that will leave you craving for more. 1. Rice and curry * This is the staple dish of Sri Lanka, and you'll find it everywhere in Colombo. From street food stalls to hotel buffets, vendors serve rice accompanied by a variety of flavorful curries. Depending on your preference, choose from curries with fish, chicken, or other types of meat. 2. Isawadi * A beloved street food, isawadi is a patty made of lentils and grams, topped with shrimps for added flavor. Head to Gal Face Green, an oceanside park, where vendors sell these delicious treats from their carts. 3-dot hoppers, Appa * hoppers are Sri Lanka's version of crepes. Made from fermented rice flour and coconut milk. They have a unique texture with crispy edges. Typically served with 2 or 3 curries, the most common accompaniment is 4-dot string hoppers, Appa * another rice flour delicacy. String hoppers take the form of steamed noodles. 5-dot amble-file * a popular fish curry found mostly on the southern coast of Sri Lanka. Amble-file has a tangy twist that adds a unique flavor to your meal. But it's not just the cultural tapestry of Colombo that draws me in, the city is also a feast for the senses. The tantalizing aroma of street food wafts through the air. As I wander through the bustling streets, the vibrant colors and eclectic architecture of Colombo never fail to captivate me, each corner revealing a new and intriguing facet of this dynamic city. From the historic Independence Square to the modern shopping districts, Colombo offers something for everyone. Join me in immersing yourself in the magic of Colombo, a city where tradition meets modernity, and every corner is filled with surprises. Stay tuned for more adventures from Terror Support, and until next time, happy exploring.